Welcome back to my channel, loves. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, most definitely go ahead, hit that subscribe button up top, and most definitely turn no push notification on. And we finna get into this look, baby, cause it's giving, periods. So stay tuned, y'all. Mwah. Taking this Z palette, and I'm gonna be taking this lighter brown shade for my transitioning for my cut crease. So we're just gonna take that and just blend this in for our eyeshadow transitioning shade. Taking this harvest green, I'm just gonna take this and be putting this all over my eyelid, you guys. So I'm just gonna take that and just apply that, and I'm not doing a cut crease or anything, so it's nothing special. We're just gonna take this and just apply it. Okay, y'all, so I will be taking this brown shadow and just putting this up under my eyelid. This will be the ending for this tutorial. Most definitely subscribe, hit that like button, and most definitely leave me a comment below. And I'm gonna catch y'all beauties in the next video. Mwah.